Here's amazing app if you like hiking, if you like outdoor adventure. It's called WIKILOC. So basically, I think there are two best apps in this category. There is All Trails, and then there is WIKILOC. Yeah. So explore millions of outdoor trails worldwide, discover great trails, follow trails without getting lost. So this app is greatly integrates with your Apple Watch as well. So yeah, like if you like hiking, definitely give it a look at this app. So for example, here is the app, and then let's just explore. So for example, in Copenhagen, let's see. First of all, you can just choose the map like satellite, standard, open street map, or open topo map, just depending where you're located. And then here you can see all the trails just around you. And then, for example, you can just tap on the icon and see, okay, here is the trail. And then basically also you can swipe in the bottom. Here is the trail. You just tap on it. You can send it to your GPS. You can navigate trail. Unfortunately, to do like a navigation, need to upgrade. There is a free trial, free 14-day trial, where you can try. There is where you can comment, you can save it to the list, and yeah, that's also the idea. Then there are also like biking routes. You can see again like a distance. You can see author and all the stats like elevation gain, elevation loss, moving time, total time, and then you can see some photos. If you just wanna, if you wanna explore the new city and just have a look at the city, that's definitely the app you can try out. And then also with WIKILOC Premium, you can get all the weather as well. So that's the feature of the app. And then you can use filters. Then you can just set up, okay, hiking, elevation gain, recorded, premium filters, and some of this premium. However, I like, it would be great to have some kind of rating in these filters personally, like what are the best routes, best rated routes, because in other app like All Trails, they clearly have like, hey, these are the top 5 rated routes here, so you can also use them. So this is just what you can have here. Then that's basically the difference. In WIKILOC, for some reasons, you can't rate your routes, as I understand. So it's a bit of a bummer, but there you have it. And then here you have your settings. You can, of course, edit all of your personal information, units, keep screen on while recording, upload trials via Wi-Fi only, offline maps. You can see them and download them. Just to use in case there is a bad connection. Then you can create lists, add to your favorites, and then premium, there is you can upgrade. Also, of course, you can record trail from here and then start recording and then share this trail with the community. So pretty cool, and that's what it is. So yeah, the cool part is that it's clearly very easily integrates with your Apple Watch, so that's amazing. And then you can just follow the route with your Apple Watch. So that's the app. Definitely take a look at this one. It's among top apps. I mean, to be honest, I personally like All Trails a bit more. It's a bit more easy to use. So All Trails is also nice. And then there is Gaia GPS. I never tried this one. But like definitely WIKILOC is one of the top ones for, like for hiking and biking. So that's what you have.